Hello, viewers. Hope you all are alright. Today we are talking about America's Got Talent. Extreme stuntman was close to death after landing on his head and cars slammed into him after falling 40 feet. Frantic 911 caller claims a Tech 911 calls has revealed that a daredevil stuntman on a new extreme version of Simon Cowell's America's Got Talent had landed on his head and cars slammed into him. In the harrowing audio, a woman who is an on site medic could be heard calling into the Henry County dispatch at the scene of the accident at the Atlanta Motor Speedway. The woman said in the clip, which was published by on Friday, that the stuntman named Jonathan Godwin ate agonal and posturing, which is a term that is used for patients close to death, struggling to breathe and making unnatural movement. The woman said, "We are at the Atlanta Motor Speedway at the America's Got Talent filming location. We had a man suspended from a cable with cars that were supposed to slam into each other's, and he did not drop in time and they slammed into him. He is about a 40-year-old white male. He fell about 40 feet. He missed the airbag and landed on his head. There are conflicting reports on the height of the fall, as it was previously reported that Goodwin was suspended 70 feet in the air, hanging by his feet while in the straitjacket when the stunt went horribly wrong. While rehearsing for the show America's Got Talent Extreme at the Atlanta Motor Speedway, the 41-year-old Felish Escoblagist was meant to free himself and land on an air mattress, narrowly avoiding two suspended cars with that were swinging on either side of him. However, the report claims that the two cars ended up hitting each other, causing them to burst into flames, with Goodwin pinned between them. Though it is not clear if the fire was part of a planned routine. Godwin, who competed on season 15 of America's Got Talent last year, is said to have been airlifted to hospital where his condition remains unclear, according to the report. A spokesperson of America Got Talent Extreme confirmed Godwin's injury to Daily Mail. He was responsive and was immediately taken to the hospital where he is continuing to receive medical care. Our thoughts and prayers go out to him and his family, as well as await further updates on his condition. After he was shot in the middle of the fiery explosion, Godwin fell to the ground and reportedly hit his head during the impact. The fall was so horrific that crew members on the America's Got Talent Extreme intentionally assumed he had been killed in the fall. However, the stuntman was conscious and responsive by the time that he was airlifted to a hospital from immediate treatment. Okay viewers, this is the news which was I talking about. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and also press the bell button. It may cause the notification of my new videos in your mobile. Okay viewers, be safe in your homes and take care of all your family members. I will come back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.